Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will be watching the teaser of Hit 3. Yes, this is the third case in the Hit franchise. So in the first one, the first two, the second one I watched it in the original Telugu language, but the first one I actually watched the remake, which was directed by Sailesh himself, which had Rajkumar Rao and Sania Malhotra. So this one stars Nani, and this is called Sarkar. This teaser is called Hit teaser Sarkar's Lathi. So this is releasing on May 1st, and I'm very excited because I actually like the first two films a lot, and let's see how the third one is going to be, and let's watch this teaser right away.
సార్ మీకు ప్రాబ్లం లేదంటే ఒక పేరు చెప్తా. అర్జున్ సర్కార్.
అర్జున్ సర్కార్
ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదు కానీ వీడి లాఠీకి దొరికినోడి పరిస్థితి ఆలోచిస్తేనే భయం వేస్తుంది.
This is the lathi?
అందరూ
Oh my god.
మర్డర్స్ చేస్తున్నారంటే ఏదో మోటివ్ ఉంది. చేయి ముందు పెట్టు.
I like this. Edited really well.
ఒక పోలీస్ ఆఫీసర్ వేనా నువ్వు?
అదే అనుకుని మోసపోయారు ఇన్నేళ్ళు జనం. మీకు చూపిస్తా ఒరిజినల్.
The third case, yes. No way! Okay, this was so crazy. Okay, let me center myself and let me stop this first. I feel okay. Firstly, the level of brutality has increased multifold. It's not like the first and second case. I mean, there was a sense of grittiness in both the cases, which this will also have, I'm pretty sure. But here, the violence and the brutality levels are very high, and Nani's lathi is, yeah, that is going to be the side actor, huh? So basically Nani's persona in this is like, he is unhinged completely. He's like, I am going to catch the bad guys my own way, and I'm going to be completely unhinged. My job is to catch the bad guy, my job is to solve the freaking case, and I will do whatever it takes to do it. A couple of shots are insane. And okay, firstly, this trailer is edited really well. That thug, like each punch, each hit with the lathi, everything is actually timed with the background music that has been used in this trailer. So I really like that, and the jump cuts were really good. The ending, the way he just sliced off that person, and then the camera goes up and then it comes down and he's completely like soaked in blood. That was such a good way of just showing that. I loved the way the whole scene was shown. It's like this, the camera goes like this and then it goes like this, and the blood splash on top, and then on Nani. Oh, direction, camera work, freaking editing, everything was amazing in that scene. So we are gonna get obviously a gritty case. The couple of scenes where you see those people who have been killed here, they are hanged upside down, and then there was this one close-up shot where the head is actually slashed. Guys, okay, phenomenal teaser. So are you saying from the first one, if you compare this, the level of brutality and the level of intensity, each case changes. This is the most intense one I feel this is going to be. And Nani is just phenomenal. Oh man, seeing Nani in this avatar makes me so freaking happy. He sells me. I mean, I know I love him in the romantic roles, I love him in those emotional roles and all, but he just sells me in these baddie, completely unhinged avatars. Absolutely phenomenal. Love him. Absolutely love him. So you guys let me know, what did you think of this? What did you think of the last shot? Okay, I am not able to get over this, but after the recording I'm just gonna watch the teaser once again. And actually let me just watch it right now with you guys only, because I want to watch it. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. Let's just watch it again. This, if you see,
సార్ మీకు ప్రాబ్లం లేదంటే ఒక పేరు చెప్తా
when the music starts,
అర్జున్ సర్కార్
ఈ కేసు ఆడికి ఇవ్వడంలో ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదు కానీ ఈడి లాఠీకి దొరికినోడి పరిస్థితి ఆలోచిస్తేనే భయం వేస్తుంది.
look at that, look at the, how the hair thing also has been so well incorporated in the teaser. It sounds like part of the BGM only. It's so cool. I love the editing.
పరిస్థితి ఆలోచిస్తేనే భయం వేస్తుంది.
Then this, every hit, every punch, pat. Ooh,
అందరూ ఒకే మెథడ్ లో మర్డర్
CTK.
చేస్తున్నారంటే ఏదో మోటివ్ ఉంది. చేయి ముందు పెట్టు.
this one.
చూడు.
What was the scene? You can just feel his rage. That's why I love Nani. He's so good at these kind of portraying these emotions.
నాకు ఒక పోలీస్ ఆఫీసర్ వేనా నువ్వు?
అదే అనుకుని మోసపోయారు ఇన్నేళ్ళు జనం. మీకు చూపిస్తా.
Oh
Original.
no. Not the scene after this. Look at the camera. Oh! And the scene before that, he was just gotten ready so nicely. Oh man, that action set piece is going to be crazy. Okay, that was it, guys. That was the reaction twice, because yeah, this deserves to be watched 2 times for sure. And those were my thoughts. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And with that, I will end this video here. Epic teaser, man. Epic. Loved it. So yes, that's it, guys. I'm gonna sign off now, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye.